In this media, you are going to learn about spare parts and stores. For any PM activity, it is very important to ensure that necessary spare parts are available prior to the dismantling of any machinery. In fact, if spare parts are unavailable, it may be better to refrain from dismantling a machine. Basic handling and storage of spares. If required to be stored, spare parts must be kept in dry compartments, particularly to avoid corrosion. Otherwise, some spares may get damaged and the actual available spares in good condition may not match with the records in the inventory. Spares are to be stored close to the machinery spaces. Different spare parts of the same machine may be stored in different areas depending on their design, size, utility and material characteristics. All electronic equipment needs to be stored in a total dry area next to the electrical workshop. In order to avoid human error leading to assembling a unit from parts not pertaining to the same unit, complete units, assemblies or sub-assemblies should be utilized as far as practicable. Besides, this will also enable the replaced unit to be overhauled as one piece for compatible use next time. Procurement of spares should be done with prudence since this is a cause of locked up substantial capital on which the return on investments is negligible. Classification of shipboard spares. Special items to be used in case of major breakdowns or overhauls such as cylinder liners, pistons, turbine rotors, casings, housings, etc. Spare parts normally subject to wear and tear and need to be replaced at certain frequencies. Standard spare parts applicable to a variety of machinery, say certain typical shaft seals, ball bearings or V-belts, etc. Stores, common tools, standard parts and parts subject to normal wear tear. These can be ordered to a predetermined maximum or minimum quantity of 6 or 3 on monthly basis. The method of ordering stores and standard parts is indicated in the given figure. Here, min and max refers to the minimum and maximum quantity of stock always meant to be available on board. L represents the delivery time that is used to determine the appropriate moment of ordering for the spares. B refers to placing of order that must be carried out in a manner that will not adversely affect the minimum stocks to be maintained on board. K represents the quantity ordered each period. The value of K depends on the time interval in between the orderings. The longer the interval, the higher shall be the volume of the spares ordered and thereby the capital cost that would be incurred on this count. Otherwise, lesser volume of ordering at shorter intervals will entail higher transportation costs even though the capital cost will be lower. Another aspect to be considered is that ordering a larger volume of spares in one go allows a bigger discount in the prices. Thus, we have learned about spare parts and stores.